Let me show you how to add text behind the subject in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. First, drag your clip into the timeline. Now we have to unlink the video and the audio here in this clip. To do that, right click and then uncheck this link clip. Now we need to duplicate the video here. So select your video clip, press Alt and then drag upwards. You need to make sure that the timing of the duplicated clip and then the original clip is perfectly aligned. Now, convert the clip above into a fusion clip. Right click and then new fusion clip. And then right click again and open in Fusion page. In Fusion tab, hit Shift and Space, search for Magic Mask. And then click Add. When you add the magic mask, make sure the node is connected like this, because if the node is not connected like this, you can't see any changes. Now that the magic mask is added, what we are going to do is remove the background of the subject. So click your subject until the background is removed. Okay. Once you're fine with the result, click this button here to track forward and reverse. What it will do is it will remove the background of your fusion clip frame by frame. Wait a few moments until background removal is done. Once done, you can go back to the edit page. Now we need to make some space in between the original clip and then the fusion clip we created. Just drag the fusion clip upwards. On that space, you can put anything you want like text and elements. Anything you put here will be behind the subject. Basically, it's just like a sandwich. Now let's add text. Okay, see that? Let's watch it. Let me show you how to add text behind the subject in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. By the way, you can also customize your text like changing font, color, size, adding animation, and etc. And there you have it. That's how you add text behind the subject in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials just like this, please don't forget to subscribe.